23 minutes.
In 5.2 kilometers, you'll arrive at First Park.
Yan, First Park Homes, Santo Tomas. Okay. Ay, I want. Friends, families and future clients, nandito ko ngayon sa First Park in Santo Tomas, Batangas. Ito yung kanilang pinakabagong property na nila-launch dito sa Santo Tomas, Batangas along Maharlika Highway lang. And of course, pag First Park, it means we're gonna show you Calista Townhouse Unit. So, first, I'm gonna show you Calista Mid Unit. So, ito yung inner unit ng kanilang townhouse. Ito yung kanilang turnover deliverable. So, Calista Mid sits on a minimum lot size of 50 square meters and a floor area of 40 square meters. Let's go! So, ang kanilang exterior, kasama po sa turnover nila ang kanilang mga gate and fence. Yun ang maganda dito. Okay? Steel gate and fence. Going here, ang turnover deliverables po nila is cement finish po ang car park. So, meron na po tayong carport agad. Then, ang exterior po nila, so very typical na First Park deliverable po ito. Ayan. Okay, going inside. So, wooden door with the door jamb and ayan. So, dito po sa First Park, ang isa sa mga advantages po is complete na po ang deliverables nila. So, what you see in this video is ito na po yung actual na turnover na makikita nyo. Ayan, ito po vinyl po ang flooring. Ito po ang turnover deliverables sa kanilang kitchen. Ayan po. So, naka-ceramic tiles. Meron na po mga modular cabinets. Complete kitchen accessory. Meron pa po service area sa likod, which will serve as your laundry area. Okay, so yung kanilang bathroom. Ayan po. So, typical bathroom. with complete bathroom accessories. Okay, sa kanilang wall, painted na po. Ang kanilang walls, ceiling height is around 2.5 meters. Strategically located po ang ating mga sockets at lightings. Okay, pagdating sa windows, sliding windows na po. And meron din pong mga naka-jalousie type of windows. Okay, going here sa second floor, still ang railings. Yan, naka-wooden planks ang mga stairs. Pagdating naman po sa flooring sa second floor, naka-vinyl din po. And here is our first bedroom. So this will serve as your master's bedroom na rin po. Ayan. So spacious enough po sa nagsisimulang family. And going here, so this will serve as your second bedroom. Ito po. Ayan. Okay, so ito na mga windows. Naka-jalousie po ang mga windows. Ayan. So the good thing here is pre-selling po ang bahay na ito. So it's available for Pag-ibig and bank financing. So if you'd like to know more, feel free to contact me. Thank you.